Welcome back, my name is Dak, and today at the brew tank we are racking the Viking blood. Let's get started. Okay, so our supplies today is our siphoning king, some fresh tar sands, tongs, an empty sterile 1-gallon carboy, a stool or something to elevate your carboy, your original mead, 3-piece airlock, and 6.5 stopper. Also, if you want to take a gravity reading, you'll also need a hydrometer, graduated cylinder, and either a wine thief or a large baster. As always, we start off by sanitizing our workspace. Next, we'll set up our melomel for siphoning. As always, make sure to elevate your primary carboy above the secondary carboy you are transferring to. Gravity do the rest once you get it started. Before I drop this in and start to siphon, we'll take a sample to see where the flavor's at and get a final gravity reading. It came out pretty sweet at 1.04. Now the Viking Blood Melomel came out pretty sweet and also very tart, but that sweetness will help with the tartness. After we discuss the taste, I'm going to attach the cane using the side clip. Once that's in place and adjusted an inch above the lees, let's get to siphoning. I'll come back to this one later and refine it more. This will end up staying in here for just a few days to clear fermenting before I go ahead and bottle. Thanks for joining me for some siphoning, and I hope some of you out there give this Viking blood recipe a try. Hit me with a like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I hope to hear you try out your own in the comments section below. Happy brewing! Cheers!